Alright guys, we are back and we are at Chaplin's here in DC, famous ramen place. The head chef was actually trained in Japan, so we're gonna go inside and check it out.
Yeah, get the menu out too.
Alright, so there actually is no menu. It's gonna be on the QR code. You can see the Chaplin painting, which Nichole actually has another one that is done in our house. And you've got the silent films going on. Really cool place. Been waiting for this one for about 6 months now, so let's check it out. All right, so the drinks are here. I went with Sagamore Spirits Old Fashioned. They have a really nice whiskey list. Sagamore is actually a Maryland distillery, so something pretty much local to DC. And then Nichole went with a French wine that is on the menu. All right, now we wait for the food. All right, look at that. Wow. This is the Chaplin ASS, the chicken in it. Has coconut milk, spices, and then this is the veggie ramen with chicken added. Looks fantastic. All right, Chaplin's was great. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Visit this place if you're in DC. Definitely recommend it. Until next time, we'll see you later.